Hi, I'd like to introduce you to Tell Me in Business Central. Tell Me is a way to do things quickly find out how to do things, or get an app or consulting service so we can do even more things. Let's see how it works. Look for the search icon at the top of the workspace. Alternatively, we can use Alt-Q. Either way, Tell Me is available everywhere in Business Central. When we start typing keywords, we immediately start seeing matches. We need to know the name of the feature, but we don't have to enter its full name. We can just type a few of the characters in the name, even if the name has more than one word. Results display in several categories. At the top are actions on the page we have open that are related to our keywords, letting us jump right into a task. Let's say we're on the items card and want to adjust inventory. We'll just type Adjust Inventory and then update our stock. The other sections are similar. We can switch to another page, view reports, read articles on docs.microsoft.com, or find apps or consulting services on AppSource that are related to what we're doing. Tell Me is a fast way to find information and resources and get things done in Business Central. Thanks for watching.